You like my flowers? Do you like my flowers?
No.
Because you don't have one like this. So I've been out picking wildflowers with Henry. What else are we doing, Henry? Our camping edition. Okay, fine. We were doing the boomerang. Henry doesn't like to talk about it because it didn't come back, eh? We're doing a camping edition of Henry and Mr. Bill Science Experiments. And Henry's gonna hide, I suppose. I don't know. We're gonna take 1 teaspoon of, let's tell them what we're making. What are we making?
No. You.
Are we making a boomerang?
Yes.
No, we're not making a boomerang. We're making a bouncy ball. A bouncy ball. All right, we need a spoonful of borax. And we're gonna put a spoonful of borax into this warm water. Now there's about a cup of warm water in there. That's a tablespoon. So let's put a tablespoon of borax in there. We're gonna make a borax solution in some warm water.
What do you mean?
One scoop.
But I'm gonna make it perfect.
Not a super heaping one. I'd say a little bit less than that.
Yeah, I will make it.
That's perfect.
What?
Yeah.
For real?
Put it in. Put it in. Stir it around.
No, I'm gonna.
No.
Why?
Because that's the perfect amount. So we have kind of a big tablespoon. We're going to stir it around. And that borax solution is going to be something that once we're done with our bouncy ball, gack type stuff, we're going to sit it in there and it's going to kind of solidify it. And we're going to try using this blue glue gel. Yeah, but let's stir that around. Let's get it all dissolved. That's why we use warm water, so that the borax can kind of get dissolved in there. That's going to be our borax solution. I don't know if you guys can see, but we have some food coloring here. We have blue, green, yellow, and red. I have a really good idea. We should use this egg carton. We're going to use an egg container, and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of glue into each little egg holder. All right, we'll do 4 of them because we're going to make 4 different colors.
No,
Don't what? Squeeze the glue. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of glue into each egg holder. Yeah.
No, into there.
No. It'll go in. It will go in there after you stir it up. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of glue.
It's not blue.
No, it's like clear, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, squeeze it hard. It's going to so slow. All right, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it. And I'm going to go 1. And I'm going to go 2. All right, we're going to cut ahead. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of glue into each of these 4 spots on the egg carton. You think you can see that?
That is this much?
That looks good. Basically want to have half the amount of cornstarch
Ooh.
of the glue, and then you're going to stir it around. So once you get that cornstarch in there and a little bit of food coloring, we're going to stir those up. And then we're going to mix them around. We'll have 4 different colors. And then the experiment's going to start getting legs, and it's going to start moving, and we're going to see some things happen. You can put a few more even if you want.
No.
Okay. We're going to put some red, some green, and some yellow.
But I cannot close it, Dada. I can't.
It's okay. I'll close them. We'll work as a team. Then we are going to add it to the borax solution, and you're going to see some interesting things happen. So we're mixing up. This is the one that Henry put the blue in. You're right. You probably need a few more drops. Turning into like a gluey, cornstarchy type deal. Oh yeah, that's going to be blue. Okay guys, so we are here with our 4 colored glue thingamadoodles. Okay, so we have 4 different colored globs here. I took the glue mixture out. We placed it in this borax solution of warm water and borax. And we got these kind of like rubbery, sticky balls. We let them sit in the borax solution, not very long at all. Nice. And we're going to actually combine these together and make one large ball. Okay, so we're gonna take our yellow glob and the pink. But if you look, I got these globs, and I'm gonna get my hands a little dirty doing this, huh? I'm gonna squeeze them together.
To get the water?
Yeah, to get the water out a little bit, but also to kind of mix the colors. you guys have ever bought a bouncy ball at the store or a gumball machine, you see like they're kind of like rainbow colors sometimes. And I think this is probably kind of similar to how they do it at the factory. A little inside info here. Feels really weird. But I can feel the bounce in it. I can tell that it's going to be bouncy, although maybe not as bouncy as the kind you buy at the store. Apparently, when these dry, they're shiny too.
How do you know?
Because I watch videos online while you're doing your homework.
Homework?
Homework? What's that? Don't do homework. All right, I got it rounded using my strength here to squeeze it to try to get it really round.
Can I try to squeeze it?
You want to try rounding it?
I want to try to squeeze it.
So, we have a round ball. It's not perfect, doesn't have to be perfect, nothing has to be perfect. There's a round ball. And then you need to set that back in the borax solution to kind of solidify it, all right, from what I've heard, apparently. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit in the borax solution. Henry, what do you think? Can you sing me a song while we wait?
No.
No? Okay, it looks pretty good, guys. When we come back, we're gonna check out its bounce factor. This is the ball we made. And you can see it's multicolored, very beautiful. We tried to make it as round as possible, but you're gonna see some like lines along where the colors meet. We're gonna do a bounce test now, Henry. I would say hold it about 2 feet above the table. It's gonna probably bounce off, but I'll count down and you drop it, all right? Hold it a little lower so we can see. All right, right there. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boing! Oh, it bounces!
Can I try to?
Cool. All right, we're in the woods. It's gonna bounce right into the forest floor. Bye-bye, ball.
Got it?
And now it's dirty. And now we throw it out and make another one.
Water, Mama.